Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing to you guys my expedition in London, England, United Kingdom. Just to overview, London is a vibrant capital of both England and the United Kingdom. This metropolis is a massive center of cultures, finance, and history, and home to over 9 million residents. London is the House of Parliament of Westminster Abbey, the Big Ben, Queen Elizabeth Tower, and the iconic changing of Queen's Guard at Buckingham Palace. The Queen's Guard changes at Buckingham Palace during Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The handover ceremony begins at 11 o'clock in the morning and lasted for about 45 minutes. London is the home of the world-class museum that you often see at the movies. London Eye is the sweeping city views, the iconic Ferris wheel that turns around approximately 30 minutes to enjoy and experience the vibrant city views of London. London has a tons of historic sites, and one of those is the ancient Tower of London and the iconic Tower Bridge. London has the extensive public transit. The best way to navigate is via underground network, or the layman's term, the train. If you are a first timer in London, you might get lost because of the massive underground train network. Make sure you are familiar where to go, to wait on, and to stand on the platforms of your train rides. Based on my experience, as much as possible, do not use cash when you buy train tickets. Instead, use contactless bank cards, your Apple Pay, your credit cards, or the Underground Oyster card to tap in and to tap out of every stations, ensuring seamless travel across train zones. The most recommended when you visit London is the bank cards, that is your ATM, credit cards, or your Apple Pay. You can use cash but not highly recommended. It's because of safety reason, the pickpockets. London has a unique street marking that you cannot find in the other big cities. London street markings are highly specific, codified symbols. The most uncommon important one you will encounter is the zigzag lines for pedestrian crossing. Zigzag lines leading to crossing indicates no stopping, no parking, or no overtaking to ensure clear visible for pedestrian and drivers. Another street marking that you will see is lock left, lock right, printed on the crosswalks. Is to remind tourists which way traffic are coming from, to avoid accident because London is a left-hand drive. And one more thing, London has a different kind of electrical plug-in. You need to bring an adapter or a socket, a Type J adapter. Our common plug-in or adapter is that fit to their electrical outlets. You need to provide the Type J adapter. And this is my expedition around London.
First consultation is at very clear.
Wait, nandun pa sila. Lumipat kami ng train. Ano pangalan to? Circle Line? Circle Line. Going to Central London? Central London? Oh, Central London o Buckingham? Oh, so Buckingham pala. So nag-transfer kami galing kami ng Elizabeth Line to Central Line, Underground Line to going to Buckingham. Bumaba kami sa Victoria Lines, Victoria Station. Straight na to siya going to Buckingham. So paglabas namin dito, Buckingham, diretso na kami sa Buckingham.
Tingnan natin sa mga commander.
Nandito na kami sa Buckingham Palace. Parang ano lang, parang siyang 10 minutes walk or less than 10 minutes walk from the station na binabaan namin.
Puno yan eh. Puno.
Ang daming tao dito, parang lahat ng mga siguro mga turista gusto manood ng Sense of Guard dito sa Buckingham Palace. Nasa likod lang kami, hindi siya makita kasi sobrang daming tao dito, hindi siya mahirap siya tingnan, hindi makita kasi malayo kami. Pag pumasok kami doon, ang daming tao, mahirap siya pasokin pa, in and out yung mga tao dito. Parang siguro lahat to mga turista din siguro gusto manood ng Sense of Guard.
Step back a little behind the ball, aren't you?
Ang grabing tao. Buti na lang nakalipat ako dito sa harap talaga ng Buckingham. Pero sobrang tao, ang daming tao ngayon. Nag-change of guard, so na-stuck yung mga tao, hindi pwede makalis, hindi pwede makalakad, no crossing kasi nag-change of guard pa. Pero okay na din kasi nasa harap ako ng Buckingham Palace. Ang Buckingham Palace is para lang siyang legislative building.
yan.
Nabila ka, tatay.
The
Work.
Oh yeah. Yeah, everything that you want.
We are now in Trafalgar Square. So, isa din to sa mga famous landmarks nila dito.
Marami niya sa atin.
Ano yung nasa loob?
Mga tayo daw ng kabayo.
Ha?
Mga tayo daw ng kabayo.
Sikat to na. Galing kami sa Buckingham Palace. Naglakad kami papuntang Big Ben, Queen Elizabeth Tower sa Westminster Palace or Palace of Westminster. Please, okay. Let's go. Now, let's go.
We need to take a response.
Napakadaming tao dito sa Westminster Palace. Itong Big Ben na to, yung itong wall clock na to, yung Elizabeth Tower na to. Ang daming tao, ang daming nagpa-picture dito sa area na to. We're going. Diretso, diretso. Punta kami sa Tower Bridge. Galing kami sa Abbey Westminster Palace. Na mag-train kami papuntang Tower Bridge. Nasa Tower Bridge na kami. Malapit na. Mga half. So malapit na kami sa Tower Bridge. Malayo ding nilakad namin from Abbey Westminster. Nag-train. Bumaba kami sa saan ba yun? Ano ba yun din naglakad papunta dito sa Tower Bridge.
That's both seated.
Kailangan namin maghanap ng makain dito. So, hinahanap namin yung medyo mura kasi mayroon kami nakita doon pero parang mahal. kami sa Chinatown. Dito na kami makahanap ng makain, kung ano makain dito.
You chilling?